Hey everybody, it's Ninjamon. Once again, geared up for the winter tundra. We got an awesome sunrise coming up. It's absolutely awesome. I love watching the sunrise. Anyway, not the main point of the video. This is actually a winter storm update, and I'm going to show you what we had to contend with. I still ain't been able to get my vehicle out, so, but yeah, we got probably about 2 inches of ice all over the entire town. Half the country apparently is covered in this stuff. So we'll see what kind of situations arise out of this. I haven't heard of any horrible accidents or whatever happening here in town where I'm at. Just the basic stuff, wrecks and you know, slip and falls and stuff. Heck, even now as I'm walking on the sidewalk, but it feels like I'm freaking walking on a skating rink. The only thing that has somewhat decent traction is the sorry about that, that was my thumb. The roads, actually. I mean, from the salt and sand and stuff, this stuff's